Oh, I will once I get in the building. Yeah. Oh, that was better yet. That was better yet. Are you getting you one now, Adam? It's not bad once you go through them and do it all up. And yeah. What are you thinking, Ronnie? Labor Day weekend, they should get a campsite at Black Rock ATV Adventure Park and come roll with us and have some fun?
Yeah.
I think so.
It's a lot of fun out here.
It is a lot of fun. So we'll get muddy and dirty. Get your campsite. Check them out on Facebook. Check them out on their webpage. I'll have links down below this video. Make sure. Get your site because they fill up fast. Come ride with us. Have fun. Guys, let's go take this thing for a ride. First things first, I rode it over here from camp, and do they believe in padding on the seat? I mean, there's no seat there compared to what I'm used to. 70s, 80s, 90s bikes. Come on. Man, that hurts the arse. So one thing to keep in mind, I did buy this for my 15-year-old kid. This is not an adult's bike. It's not. But it is a 189. Got plenty of power. So we're going to see what she's got. The shock is set a little soft for my big boned rear end. But it's softened up for the kid. So keep in mind, alright, I ain't been on a dirt bike in years. Thing's not bad. I mean, I'm no flight guy. It was scooting pretty good with me. It'd be pretty dangerous for somebody who actually is supposed to fit on it. I think I'm gonna get me one out of my collection. Yeah. What are you thinking, Laura? Think I should get one?
I guess, but I don't want you hurting yourself.
Oh, so I'm gonna have to get no bigger than 500. I think that's all they make is a 500 in the biggest size.
Hey, I'm here.
What?
I can hear you.
Well, you know, I'm thinking an old 86, 87 CR 500. That was they called those the Widowmaker for a reason. Yeah, full rip, dog. Cook some breakfast. Got some green peppers, onions, orange peppers, red peppers, some bacon. Got some seasoning. Gonna throw some eggs up on there. Morning, guys. We're gonna have a mellow weekend. Just kind of chill, hang out. So welcome to come along with this video. Don't know where it's gonna go yet. We'll figure it out. Already took the kids on the dirt bike. I already ripped the dirt bike. Christopher's been riding rattle can a lot. Taking my wheeler again. You like that thing, don't you? Oh yeah. I'm gonna call it shit on a friggin' bagel. Toasted the bagel on the grill in the bacon grease. Egg, American cheese, bacon, sausage, peppers, onion. Tell you what, that's pretty good. It's pretty good, baby.
Good.
Yeah. I'll have to let my Sadie girl here try it out. Huh? Want to try some out, Sadie girls?
They can have some chicken.
Want to try some out? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's see how this old girl muds. Not too bad. Up to the axle.
Ready? Here we go!
Kids wanted to race. Oh man, looks like that 950 is getting beat by an 8-year-old. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh man. Did that 950 just get beat by an 8-year-old? Oh man. We can't be having all that. You guys liking the ride, are ya? They love to ride. Got Sadie in that one up there. What you doing, Bubba? What you doing, Bubbas? Huh? You having fun? Let's get our ride on, folks. These are heavy.
I know they are.
Ain't the first one I flipped over. Every time I see a 950, it's on its lid.
Been there, done that.
It's like they build them to roll over or something. I don't know. Hey guys, I just want to thank you for watching this video. Hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment down below. Me and Laura really want to thank you guys for all of your support and everything you do. As you can see, probably the more and more I do videos like this while I'm editing, you can see my office is just, it looks like a hoarder lives here, but it's all CFMOTO parts. As you know, we've gotten a building and we're signing a lease. I actually got to sign it today. I have it. I got to print it out, sign it, and take a check. And it's going to be 1 month before we can actually start moving in because he's putting in windows and some new furnaces and stuff like that. And I told him, you do you. I don't want to be in your way. We'll just do it in a month. So we are going to start. I'm going to probably start moving things in and getting ready, but we're not going to be really in his way through the month. So we wouldn't be able to do it if it weren't for you guys. And you guys are just so awesome. Words cannot describe the things that you guys do for us, and the support and the appreciation and all of that is so awesome. Me and my wife are able to build a dream and do the things that we love and enjoy to do, as well as bring you guys good parts, accessories, our clutch kits. You know, our clutch kits are really what make all this stuff possible. Those are the #1 selling thing for us. We do sell parts, you know, lift kits, wheel spacers. The list goes on. We have light bars, LED whips, and all kinds of stuff. And we're only going to continue to grow that. This building we're getting is 17,000 square foot. It's just astronomically huge. And the plans I have, we want to, like, I want to have an in-house fabricator that can build custom exhausts for you guys, custom bumpers and stuff like that. It's all going to be custom to order, but it's going to take time and it's going to take support. And that's where you guys come in. We want to thank you guys so much. We appreciate everything you do. And I'm really excited to have my house back, because it's just, if I gave you a tour, you wouldn't believe it. I can't wait to get it cleared out and get it back to a house. Thank you guys so much. May God bless you. Peace out, and we'll see you in the next one. Come join us out at Black Rock ATV Adventure Park. Don't forget to check out my website, rngperformance.net.